Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Jitsi Meet step by step. Jitsi Meet is a free, open-source video conferencing platform that lets you host and join secure online meetings from your computer or mobile device. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and visit the official Jitsi Meet website. If you're using a desktop computer, remember that you can use Jitsi Meet directly in your web browser without installing any software. If you'd like the mobile app, open the Google Play Store on Android or the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search bar, type Jitsi Meet, and look for the official app published by the Jitsi team. Next, tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone, then wait for the download and installation to finish. The installation time depends on your internet speed and device performance, so give it a few moments to complete. Once the app is installed, tap Open to launch Jitsi Meet. You can immediately join an existing meeting using an invitation link or create a new meeting by entering a unique meeting name. For the public Jitsi Meet service, you usually don't need to create an account to get started. Finally, allow the app to access your microphone and camera when prompted so you can participate fully in meetings with audio and video. And that's it. You now know how to download Jitsi Meet on your Android or iPhone and how desktop users can access Jitsi Meet directly through a supported web browser without installing additional software. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone!